I'm doing everything I can to get it back here. Can you guys see it?
I can't see birds way over there.
I'm trying to get it back here, and I can't see it.
Oh, there you are. See it? You see your plane?
Where am I at?
You're flying away. All right, keep going. You're flying away from yourself now. You're not coming straight.
That's what I'm trying to do. Here, because I can't even see it anymore. I've been fighting that wind, I couldn't get her back. And I had her full throttle a while ago and still couldn't fight that wind. The Valiant I could. This
Flash down.
Now I see it. Now I see it. Well, that's hard fighting that wind, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
I even had it full throttle fighting into the wind. I just couldn't get it back up. So I said I would have rather flown the Valiant. I got more power. Josh, were you able to get anything?
No. You took off too fast. I couldn't catch up.
Well, I'm getting closer to the field now. This is a good example why I don't like flying alone.
There should be a good 5 minutes on there.
I can relax a little bit more.
Yeah.
I was working, I can tell you.
Man, I was sweating that. I mean, I was doing everything I could. And I'd get it started and then it'd cut back. I'd get it started and it'd cut back. I was even giving it full throttle and giving it down.
I've been holding a little bit of down.
At least, Josh, you got to see how slow that thing can fly. I haven't tried it in this strong of a wind before on a takeoff. And you seen that takeoff was just so slow and just, it was there. Might as well land it. Yeah, with this wind. And she will stall land. If you want to land regular, it's on regular. If you want flapped, I can give you half or full.
Not with this much wind.
I threw an 1800 in there. I had 22. I probably should have thrown it in there.
What connector? You saw the EC3 connectors or on the battery? Just lift right over that berm over there.
I have taken that one and I have helicoptered it down. I have.
Hey, I got it down.